Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Explore and More with Nikita Menon. Today I'm sharing a video on how to make stuffed capsicum. So I've not followed any recipe in this. I tried this dish in a restaurant and I really liked it, so I'm just trying to replicate basis what I saw and how it tasted. So let's begin. So in a pan I'm adding some oil. You can choose any oil, olive oil or rice bran, sunflower, anything you like. Now I'm adding some cumin seeds, that is jeera. Let it crackle. Now I'm chopping some green chilies. You can even slit green chili and just put it. Adding some ginger paste. Chopped garlic. Mix it well so that the raw taste goes away. Now I have grated paneer, so I'm mixing that. And some chopped mushrooms. So my filling basically is going to be a combination of paneer and mushroom, which I really love, by the way. Let this cook and steam for around 5 minutes. Okay, so now the mushroom has left some water, so you need not add any water to it. Mix it nicely. Now I'm adding some turmeric powder, that is haldi powder, some red chili powder, pepper powder, salt as per taste. Mix it. Now keep this aside and let's proceed with the filling of capsicum. So I've taken medium sized capsicum. I've cut the top part of it. Now I'm adding the filling. You can even top this up with some cheese. So see, this is how I've made it. It's kind of cute little lid to the capsicum. Now to make the gravy, add some oil again in the same pan, or you can use a different pan also. Adding some chopped garlic and chopped onion. Mix it and let it turn a little golden brown. Add some jeera again, cumin seeds. See, the color has changed. To this I'm adding chopped tomatoes. Now for the gravy, to have the puree consistency, you can even make tomato puree if you want, but I like chopped tomatoes, so I'm going with that. Now again let this cook in steam. So now this looks pretty cooked, so I hope the rawness of the tomato has gone. Now I'm adding some coriander powder, that is dhania powder, then some peanut powder, mixing it. I'm adding little water so that there is slight consistency to the gravy. Red chili powder, turmeric powder, basically the intention is once this gravy cooks, we are going to put the filled capsicum in this. And while I was doing that, there was some leftover filling, so I'm just adding that to the gravy. Why waste it, right? Mixing it. So one tip, the capsicum sometimes tastes a little bitter, so what you can do is you can cook that for some time in the microwave, or you can roast the capsicum on gas and then put the filling, so that it doesn't take a long time to cook in the gravy. I missed doing that. This is one feedback that I can share with you guys if you are trying to make this. So letting this cook in steam. So as you can see, it's ready. It's really tasty, yummy, something different that you can try. So because of the cheese, there is some variation to the dish. I hope you guys liked the video. Please do try. It's not that difficult and it's really tasty and a nice dish. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, please do, and thank you for all the support. Bye bye. Have a nice day.